Hello, friends. Welcome to Archery. I really want to introduce you a new product. If you are using a Solar as your search engine in your job board or in ATS or any other CRM applications, you might need a taxonomy of skills and job profile. And this is what exactly we are going to bring to you today. So let us talk about Solar. Solar is an open source from Apache, which is a very good, very excellent search engine. And it indexes well, it searches well, it does everything perfectly. Now, the few challenges which this has is like ontologies. People have a challenges to set up their taxonomies, their ontologies, and everything is not something come as a pre-configured. It has a long development cycle. It needs a lot of trainings. It needs a lot of data set. It needs a lot of setup to be done in that. And since this is available openly, so it is a very tough for them is to build their uniqueness. It is not something out of the box which is available there and people can start using it. Let us understand what's the difference comes between standard Solar and if you use Archely taxonomies with that. So take a first example. You're talking about the front desk assistant and we have three different documents. So let us assume in a Solar, we index 8 documents. 3 documents has front desk assistant, 3 documents has phone operator as one of the titles, and 5 documents has a sales assistant. Few are overlapping. If you see that based on the circle, few are overlapping. Now, if I compare it, if you are searching only phone operator, default Solar is going to return you only 3 sets, whereas we understand that front desk assistance is also the same. They also match to the same category. And with Archely taxonomy, you have more options, like from 5 documents will come to you. Second, if you're searching receptionist, this isn't going to return you none. There's no data. But Archely taxonomy, because receptionists and front desk assistants or phone operators, they all are the same skill set. So that's the power of Archely taxonomy. Now I can go one by one, like sales assistant, sales associate, receptionist and a sales associate. So you see, like Archely taxonomy has the power to give you more and more data set. And that's what is required nowadays. People are not looking for something limited results. Now let us walk through with a real-time scenario. Left hand side, we have set up a Solar and we are going to search with them, and this does not carry a taxonomy. Right hand side, we have a Solar setup which is done with the taxonomy. It has all the like what keywords what are you going to provide you, it has that. So let us say I search for business analyst. I got almost 96 results here. Fantastic, it sounds good. People say it's awesome. Now I search a business analyst again with Archely taxonomy, and I got almost same results. Wow. So without taxonomy and with taxonomy, this is all good. There's no difference at all, right? And you can search it out. You can do all that stuff right there. Now let us go first one step ahead. Now I search business strategy analyst. Now I change it. Without taxonomy, oops, I got 0 result. Now I search the same thing, business strategy analyst. If I search it there and see the magic, my results are almost 126 because it is now going to find out similar keywords, aliases, synonyms, everything is going to find out. And then it says this is the whole project comes up. Now let us understand from where this data set comes up. And I search business strategy analyst. You see we have a lot of aliases or synonyms available with us. And that's where the Solar get intelligent. He says business strategy analyst is not something only this. This has a lot many other aspects available to you. So that's a whole system which comes up. Let us try another phone operator. If I search, I only got a 1 result because this resume has explicitly or exclusively mentioned called phone operator. If you see this resume, this must have some mention somewhere called phone operator. Here it is. Now if I search phone operator here, and this with taxonomy, wow, I got 590 results. Reason being, people with the front desk, people with the receptionist, people with the call center operator, they all can handle this one. And that's where the synonyms of these keywords plays a role. One is some dummy without taxonomy Solar is there, and some you make it intelligent with a phone operator or with a taxonomy stuff. We can try many examples. Let us try one more. I say client representative and search it out. and it gave me 3 results. And both carries the same number of resumes, same number of jobs, exactly the same. There's no difference in that. And this came out because there's an exact keyword is available called client representative. Now, let us go back to the taxonomy. I search same thing, same keyword, client representative. And if I search it and see the results, that's a magic. Now you got 668 results. And how it comes up? It is all coming from the taxonomy, because it is not only searching for client representative, it is also searching for something similar keywords also. Client representative can be client relations. People can write as a client representative, client service representative, CSM, service desk operators, anything you can say. So different job titles are added into the system. So I'm making dump Solar to a intelligent Solar. So let us move on. So what I've shown you is Solar operator with Archly taxonomy, right? We give you complete ontology and then the taxonomy which comes with that as a part. So these two things creates a Solar engine to be a very intelligent. It starts searching you, start providing you something more detailed results, more detailed aspects of whatever you are trying to do. That's available. Same way for driver. So we have different versions available for driver. It is also known as chauffeur, personal driver, or private chauffeur. Exactly comes up. So what ontology is a structure, and taxonomy or synonyms is something which is also provided there. Similar way, finance analyst. You see a lot of taxonomies are available. Same way, exactly. CEO. You see a lot of subparts are also available. CEO is known as co-founder, CEO, chairperson, chairman, director. Everything is available there. Now, let us talk about what exactly you're going to get with us. So we have a skills, if I talk about as of today, we have almost 69,585 skills, which is English-based skills, and the non-English is almost a million, almost 800,000 non-English are available. They are base skills and synonyms both. And if I talk about job profiles specifically, so we have almost 500,000 job profiles in non-English and almost 30,000 in the English job profiles, right? And that makes us a pretty big coverage in different segments. So today we cover 22 sectors, almost 1,930 subsectors, and 36 languages. I'm sure you can check it out. Your domain is there or not. You can surely see that one. So end result is you can provide a better results to the candidate and as well as a recruiter. They are not going to get back a zero results. At least something's there. And once you have a more data to sort, you will be able to make more better searches like filtering, location, or anything. But first, let the skill filter comes up, right? And full taxonomy and skills, you can go day one live. You don't have to build anything like that. A lot of people ask us like how we get an update. Sure, that's when you go buy it, right? Every 2 months we're gonna update you, even earlier than that, right? With the complete instructions how to apply in a Solar instance. When you buy right now, you will be accessible for the first year, free of cost upgrade, and subsequent year you can buy it. That's up to you. And how to install, that's a bigger effort here. And we have experts, people who we hired with us, who can help you out to set up your Solar, or you have a team. We can give you complete setup instructions one by one, and so that you can use it. And if still you need an expert, we are available there. Of course, that's a little bit cost there, but yes, we can handle it. So what's all included when you buy this taxonomy is skills and a job profile. That's the whole taxonomy, all manually verified data. It is not something coming from a software. You verify 36 language, 680,000 approximately skills and skills synonyms, and 500K approximately your job profiles of 22 sectors, 1930 subsectors, regular updates and complete setup. It is something like if some companies are really wants to give a better results to the recruiter, sure, we are there. And you can go ahead to this link and buy it out directly. Thank you very much.